All right. Oh, hey guys. We're Team Grandeur, and so I'm going to show you guys how our Connect work. So we couldn't have done this project without two great helpers to help us get the Connect on PC working. So what you see in here, this looks like one of those heat sensing, thermal vision things. This is called the Synapse, and is you can go check them out. Just Google them up and search for Synapse. They're the ones that who designed the Connect Hacked. And also, this is the Max patch made by Luke Woodbury. Found it on the forum, and he was helping out some of the PC users. So we kind of borrowed his patch. So what it's going to do is that whoever enters in the Connect will get sensed, and then I can tell it to click on various joint positions to show to start tracking the joints. And then inside there, I can use this kind of basic visualization to show where all the movements are and stuff. So I'm going to give you a brief demonstration. So Jeremy, you want to come walk in?
Yes, sir.
All right. Here we go. So you can see Jeremy coming in. Okay, do the pose. There we go. Cool. You see how all the points join in, right, and stuff. And then also this little light on, saying that light, when it's light, it would track the skeleton. Since I clicked on right and left hand, in the other patch, you'll see that all the variables are moving. It's great. So Jeremy, you can move them around. See, there you go. Check him out. Yeah, all right. So he's moving around. So then I have packaged them and sent them to localhost 9001 and 9000, which in my other Max patch you see here that he can able to control the music and all sorts of all the other variables. So. Yeah, but also in the Isadora, if you open these up, you can see how here, you can see how he's also controlling the horizontal position and the vertical position of the characters. So that's pretty much how it works. So that's our Connect, and we're going to build up from there. So thank goodness we got that working. So great.
So you get the sounds to change. Okay. I'm going to go towards the character. Just somewhere over here. Oh, it's trying to escape. Oh, it's in a crack. He's also controlling the eye at the back right now. Right now they're both being tracked by the same Connect and the same camera information, I guess. However, we plan to separate those discreetly later.
Oh, just to let you know that the back eye is just an accidental discovery kind of a thing. That we just played around with scale, so we kind of made the eye really huge, and that's how it turned out to be. So, but we're still going for the swarm idea, so we're probably gonna make more of these. Hey guys, so this is me, and this is right now our current patch for our Max patch for our project. So currently what I'm doing right now is I'm going to send data to another computer, so that since we're going to have probably 2 or 3 projectors running, and one is the is the camera with the mirror, so it's going to be our character is going to be following the user as they walk around. So right now, the camera with the mirror, the projector with the mirror is set up to my computer, and the other one's on the Mac there, and one's possibly on Jeremy's computer. We're going to figure out if we are going to use 3 or 2. So right now I'm just going to hook things up. I'm going to continue to do work now, so I'm going to shut up. Alright, so we're going to... And pick it up. There you go. So you can see on the screen when he picks it up, that right now, if you can see my mouse, this is actually tracking his torso joint. And we're going to program it so that when he bends over, this is a little too much. When he bends over, the torso joint, once it hits a certain area, the if statement triggers and you'll create a bang. And this bang is going to send to Isadora, where Isadora will recognize it and it will play us the specific video file for that. Now, Lola, I'm going to ask you to walk all the way to the back wall. Hug the wall, all the very back, the very back. So as he goes to the back, you see that this number, this is the z-axis that's going, that's happening, that is actually tracking his right foot. And when the z-axis hits a certain limit, this is the limit. I probably have to calibrate it a little bit because Nolan is really small. Once it goes over, you can see that the yellow lights occur and it's going to trigger a bang. And this bang will eventually send to Isidore to play another specific video. So these are kind of our basic triggers so far, playing around with the if statements and conditioning in Maximus P. So then what we're going to do is that it's going to create animations, it's going to create our interaction with the ball in our video, which we'll show in our next episode. So right now this is our current Isidore patch for our project. As I said earlier on the Maximus P part, we're using probably 2 to 3 projectors. So each computer will have its own patch, and one specifically for the main character, and the other one's for the sub characters that we're going to be using. So pretty much we got the OSCs right here. That's bringing in all the max communication. We're going to these are all the calibrations we got to do, so which will move all the way to the projector, which will increase the height, the zoom, the intensity, etc. We also have sound triggers, which will tint the video to create different colors for our characters. That's one way we're going to do that. So that Bai won't have to 3D render like 50 billion different character colors for each of ours. So we're going to let Isidore take care of that. But that's what we have so far, and we're just going to keep working on it. So I'll see you next time.